If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To sign up for QuickBooks Online, visit https://quickbooks.intuit.com/online/ in a web browser. Then select a subscription, sign in, and create the related subscriptions company file. This tutorial covers the QuickBooks Online Plus subscription for a company file, which is the most popular version. At the site, follow the on-screen instructions to either choose a free 30-day trial or buy a subscription and also select a subscription plan. You then arrive at a page where you can either create a new Intuit account or click the Sign In link to sign in with an existing Intuit account. Note that this user account is also the initial primary admin user for your company file. After creating a new account or signing in, you then proceed through an initial setup wizard that asks you how to set up your company file. Proceed through the wizard answering its questions to create your initial company file and view it in QuickBooks Online. You can use the same Intuit ID to create multiple company files if desired, but each one requires you to go through the same process of buying or trying a subscription plan, signing in, and then creating the company file for the selected subscription. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.